Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Have you ever bought something that didn't work as expected or had a service that left you disappointed? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we'll go over some essential English phrases to help you handle a customer complaint effectively. Whether you need to explain a problem, ask for a refund, or request a replacement, these phrases will help you communicate clearly and confidently. Let's dive in. When starting your complaint, it's important to be clear and polite. Begin with the phrase, "I'd like to report an issue with," and explain the problem briefly. This shows the staff what needs to be addressed. Example, "I'd like to report an issue with the coffee maker I bought. It's not turning on." Or, "I'd like to report an issue with my order. It arrived damaged." This phrase sets the tone for the conversation and helps the person assisting you understand the situation quickly. Once you've explained the issue, politely ask for help by saying, "Can you help me resolve this problem?" This shows that you're looking for a solution, not just complaining. Example, "Can you help me resolve this problem? The product I received is missing some parts." This phrase is polite but firm, and it encourages the staff to focus on finding a resolution. If you're not satisfied with the product or service and you'd like your money back, use the phrase, "I'd like to request a refund." It's direct and clear while remaining polite. Example, "I'd like to request a refund for the headphones I bought. They stopped working after one day." This phrase ensures the person assisting you knows exactly what outcome you're looking for. In this case, ask, "Is it possible to get a replacement?" This is a great way to request another item without being demanding. Example, "Is it possible to get a replacement for this blender? It arrived with a cracked lid." This phrase is polite and makes your request clear. Asking, "Do you need my receipt or order number?" shows that you're prepared to provide the necessary information to speed up the process. Example, "I have my receipt here. Do you need my order number to process the refund?" This phrase keeps the conversation professional and efficient. Use the phrase, "What are the next steps to resolve this?" to clarify the process. Example, "If I leave the product with you, what are the next steps to resolve this?" This phrase shows that you're willing to cooperate, but also want to stay informed. And there you have it. These essential English phrases will help you handle customer complaints with confidence. Whether you're asking for a refund, requesting a replacement, or just trying to fix a problem, these phrases will ensure your concerns are heard and addressed professionally. If you're looking to improve your English pronunciation and clarity, check out ChatterFox for personalized accent training. It's a great way to boost your confidence in everyday conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more examples. See you in the next video.